Sky and Liam.
Win time. Win.
I can read. Pete the Cat. Super Pete by Kimberly and James Dean. Ah, what do you see?
Balloon.
A balloon?
Yes.
A parachute. Super Pete is floating down with a parachute. I wonder what it's gonna be about. All right. What is this? Pete the Cat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Super Pete. Pete the Cat is out for a walk. Pete listens to the owls.
This is fun.
He listens to the frogs. Just then, Pete hears a beep. Beep! Alert! It is not coming from outside. It is coming from his watch.
Super frog.
Yeah, it's a super frog. Pete races home. It is time for the Pete the Cat to become... Say one more time.
Super Pete.
Super Pete. Pete presses a button in his room. The wall slides away. Pete sees a set of steps. Down, down, down he goes. I wonder where he is going. Oh, Pete steps into his lair. It is full of groovy things to help him fight crime. What do you see, Sky?
I see flashlight, mouse, soap bubbles, and fan.
What do you see, Liam?
Jesus, bird,
Good job, guys. I see ropes too. I see a poster. It says most wanted. I think those are the guys that Pete might need to catch. And there's another poster that says $10,000 reward if you catch the criminal. And there's a crime computer, skateboard, slingshots, and we'll see what's next. Pete the Cat puts on his awesome cat suit. He puts on his cape and his sneakers. Those are his costumes. Now Super Pete is ready to save the city. Pete sees a flashing light. There is a message on his computer. It is the mayor. Come, quick, Super Pete, the mayor says. We need your help. There is trouble at the warehouse. Uh-oh. Should we go and find out?
Yeah.
Pete pulls his lever. Whoosh! Pete's nifty jet sinks into his lair. Oh, Pete hops into the jet. He zips into the air. Super Pete is on his way to save the day. What does it say on his...
Cat.
Ah, yeah. It says cat on his jet. Pete races through the sky. He hits a button. The jet shimmers. The jet disappears. Now the jet is invisible. Invisible. No one will know Super Pete is coming. Well, what do you see, Jimmy?
Wait.
And? A moon! There's a moon!
What does that mean?
Yeah. So it's disappearing, so no one can see. Pete hovers over the warehouse. He straps on a parachute. Yeah, he jumps. There is a moon. Pete lands on the roof. He goes inside the warehouse. It is dark. He cannot see. Pete puts on his night vision goggles. He sees two bad guys. Uh-oh, they are carrying a box. Pete picks up a rock. He puts it in his slingshot. The rock hits the box. Boom! The bad guys drop the box. They climb out a window. Oh no, they're running away. Pete races to the window. The bad guys have a boat. They are getting away. Oh no, what should Pete do?
Jimmy,
follow, swim it and follow?
Into the mirror.
Oh, I think that's what he's planning to do. Pete pushes a button on his catsuit. His sneakers turn to flippers. A mask closes over his face. Pete jumps into the water. He swims after the bad guys. Pete takes a rope from his pocket. He twirls it over his head. Pete aims. He throws. The rope catches the boat. Oh yeah, hooray! Pete pulls himself along the rope. Pete climbs into the bad guy's boat. He ties up the bad guys. Wow, he's so brave. Pete pushes a button on his watch. His jet appears above him. Wow, up there in the sky. Pete pulls the bad guys into his jet. Pete brings the bad guys to the mayor. Super Pete saved the day. Can we say hip hip hooray? Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. The end. Please join us for more reading. Subscribe to Sky and Liam. Thank you for watching. Sky and Liam's I Can Read. Pete the Cat. Super Pete by Kimberly and James Dean.